students, welcome to the class. In this class, let us discuss about accounting and auditing aspect. Now, meaning of accounting, its features, principles and concepts. These topics will be discussed in this class. So let's start the class first. Accounting. What is accounting? Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions and events which are in part at least of the financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So this is the definition given by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants Committee on Terminology. What they are saying, accounting is an art. It is an art which includes the recording of the financial transactions and classifying. First we have to record the financial transactions, then we go through classifying the transactions, that which transaction belongs to which account, and summarizing in a significant manner. After classifying, we summarize the recorded accounts in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions and events which are in the part at least of financial character. After that, we go through interpreting the results, that which account belongs to which account and how it affects on the organization operations and how the transactions are helpful and how their results will be available and benefited to the organization. Then another one definition is accounting is a process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. So this definition is given by the American Accounting Association. Here first we go through identify the transactions, then measure and we communicate the economic information. In both the definitions, it is to be concentration, it is to be how to concentrate that only the financial transactions or economic information which related to monetary terms are going to record in the books of accounts. That recording is called as accounting. That economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. Thus, accounting consists of following features. By considering the above definitions, we can say that these are the features of accounting. First one, recording of transaction and events. So what the transactions happens, about the events, that transactions are going to record in the books. After that, transactions and events in terms of money, that how the transactions, for what cost, at what money, in what monetary term the transaction and events are happened, that is we going to record. Then we go through classification of that transactions, that we classify that which transaction belongs to what type of account. After that, we go through summarize and then interpret the result of the financial transactions. So these are the 5 features of the accounting. Then accounting principles. What are the accounting principles? First, let's know what is principles. Accounting principles may be defined as those rules of conduct or procedure which are adopted by the accountants universally while recording the accounting transactions. So these principles are the set of rules or procedures that is followed by all the accountants all over the world. That type of procedure or rules are said to be as the principles. So these are the accounting principles, that is accounting concepts and accounting conventions. So the accounting principles are classified into two types. They are accounting concepts and accounting conventions. On the basis of these, the accounting principles are set. So, which are the accounting concepts and conventions? First, accounting concepts. So, in terms of concepts, we get the 9 concepts, that are separate business entity concept, going concern concept, money measurement concept, cost concept, accounting period concept, realization concept, dual aspect concept, accrual concept, and matching concept. When coming to conventions, there are 4 types of conventions. First one is convention of consistency, second one is convention of full disclosure, third one is convention of convertism, then lastly convention of materiality. So these are the accounting concepts and conventions, which are the accounting principles of the accountants. So on the basis of these concepts and conventions, all the accountants follow the accounting procedures. So these concepts and conventions are going to be discussed in detail in the next class. So keep update to the channel and keep following the channel. Thank you. Subscribe, like and share.